Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein defended Special Counsel Robert Mueller on Wednesday and said he had seen no cause to fire him or received encouragement to do so. He also rejected Donald Trump's characterization of the special counsel's investigation as a witch hunt. Rosenstein appeared before the House Judiciary Committee a day after the Justice Department provided congressional committees with hundreds of text messages between an FBI agent assigned to Mueller's team and an FBI lawyer who was on the same detail. Robert S. Mueller III, 73, is a former FBI director who was appointed by George W. Bush and held over by Barack Obama beyond his 10-year term. The term extension required special congressional action which the Senate approved 100-0. Previously, Mueller held two different U.S. attorney posts and was an assistant attorney general in the George H.W. Bush administration. Mueller was appointed special counsel in May 2017, 8 days after Trump fired FBI Director James Comey. A special counsel is a prosecutor appointed in extraordinary circumstances or in cases of conflicts of interest within the Justice Department. In this case, there was a need for someone to investigate the Russian matter who was not appointed by or beholden to Trump. Mueller's team of 17 lawyers operates independently of, but, ideally, in cooperation with, Congress, which has 3 committees conducting investigations in parallel to Mueller. Mueller is expected to submit a report to Congress and may bring criminal charges separately. Mueller has a sizable budget and an open-ended term. He is specifically authorized to investigate any links or coordination between the Russian government and individuals associated with the campaign of President Donald Trump, plus any matters that may arise directly from the investigation. He has the power to prosecute federal crimes. Mueller was appointed by Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein, with Attorney General Jeff Sessions having earlier recused himself from the Russia investigation. In theory, only Rosenstein may remove Mueller, although if Trump wanted to fire Mueller, and Rosenstein were unwilling, Trump could replace Rosenstein. Trump has said Mueller is very, very good friends with James Comey, which is very bothersome, but also said Robert Mueller is an honorable man. Those messages, which occurred before Mueller was appointed in May, show the officials using words like idiot and loathsome human to characterize Trump as he was running for president in 2016. One of the officials said in an election night text that the prospect of a Trump victory was terrifying. The disclosures of the text messages added to concerns among members of Congress that Mueller's team is tainted by political bias. But when Rosenstein was asked if he had seen good cause to fire Mueller, whom he appointed and whose work he oversees, he replied that he had not. Rosenstein also defended the credentials of Mueller, a former FBI director, and said he was an appropriate choice to run the Justice Department's Russia investigation after the firing of FBI Director James Comey. The special counsel's investigation is not a witch hunt, Rosenstein said.